am very happy because one of my very close friends suddenly surprised me with this huge and this is from Punjab. I don't know what is inside this. Like I seriously don't. Suddenly the courier girl called and told me that I have a parcel from Punjab, and I got to know that that is one of my very close friend that shared me this huge box. I don't know what is inside this, and I am unboxing it. Very happy to. Thank you so much. Oh my god! I love it. Oh, there are letters in this. There are letters. Oh shit, man! Look at this. Oh, this is so sweet. Oh my god. I'm gonna read all of it later. I'm gonna read all of it. And there is a 5-star, very, very sweet note. Okay. Oh, there are. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. I'm so full. I'm so full. You're smoother than a moose. I'm so thankful. I can't express, like there are so many in here in this box. If I showcase it, there are so many. There is a chudi. There is this thing. Oh my god. I cannot explain how much